Well, just hours after posting bond, the man accused of causing a hit-and-run crash that killed the postal worker was taken back into custody in court.
Our Michelle Choi is at Harris County Criminal Courthouse to explain.
Yeah, we're told today Jesus Gutierrez was taken back into custody for violating probation. Our cameras were rolling as Gutierrez walked in and sat in the courtroom this morning, just hours after being released from jail after posting his $105,000 bond. The 43-year-old is charged with failure to stop and render aid involving a death and filing a false police report. Joe Wells is his attorney.
So Mr. Gutierrez was on deferred adjudication for felon possession of a weapon case out of this court.
Deferred adjudication is a type of probation from a previous charge. Wells says because Gutierrez picked up 2 new charges within the 5 years of the original case, the judge signed an order to revoke his probation and took him back into custody today on a $45,000 bond. On Saturday in North Houston, police say 29-year-old Robert Jones was on his mail route when Gutierrez hit his postal truck from behind, causing it to flip over, then drove away. Jones was ejected and pinned under the truck. He later died at the hospital. This morning, Gutierrez's attorney said they'd be looking into whether or not Gutierrez knew someone was hurt at the time.
There's failing to stop after an accident, which would be a misdemeanor. And then there's failing to stop and render aid. And the key point about failing to stop and render aid is you have to know if there was somebody that needs aid or could possibly need aid.
According to court documents, Gutierrez allegedly lied to police, initially telling officers he wasn't driving his SUV at the time of the crash and that his vehicle had been stolen. Police say Gutierrez even filed a police report, but they say surveillance video showed him leaving a Walmart in his SUV just minutes before the crash. His attorney says they'll be digging deeper into the details of the case.
We've got to look at all the evidence that the state has. Particularly want to look at all the videos.
If Gutierrez makes bond, we're told his bond conditions include wearing an ankle monitor and being placed under house arrest. Back to you.